tried naman her best na lumabas dun sa comfort zone nila. She would fail, pero at the same time, ang ganda ng development ng character niya. Na talagang yung empathy niya sa mga nangyayari sa palibot niya, ganyan. At the same time, while still giving the kind of love that she feels that ni Eric deserves to have. Alam mo kasi guys, ito na. Alam nyo kasi, ganun talaga magmahal guys. Hindi ko sinasabing, hindi ko rin kinokondone yung cheating. Pero kasi, wow, naging Dr. Love, gano'n.
Ayan na.
Ayun. No, pero ganun kasi magmahal guys eh. Minsan mahirap eh. Minsan parang lagi kang outside looking in, inside looking in, inside looking out. Basta ganun, parang you always have to have a certain part of yourself that you give away. And you cannot say na, hindi, wag mo kasi masyado ubusin yung sarili mo. Kasi mahirap. Mahirap yung parang magpapanggap ka na hindi ka concerned. Mahirap yung parang magpapanggap ka na you don't care. When in fact, you do care.